All right, it's time for another quick round of practice. Okay, your tongue should actually not be out the way mine was just there. You should keep your tongue up and behind your top teeth for the alveolar ridge. Do not round your lips. Ooh. Do not make a y sound. Both of those are not correct. We got to get that good l sound, such as lake. Say it with me. Land. Law. Let. Low. Little. Lamp. You're on the right track. Keep practicing. Get those 5 or 6 or 7 words perfect, then move on to the next set of words.